In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn any email into a calendar event. If you've ever had an email arrive with a meeting request, deadline, or action item, this workflow will save you time and capture all the details in your calendar without copying and pasting. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your search engine. Type Outlook and select the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that securely. Once you're in your inbox, locate and open the email you want to turn into an event. Give it a quick read to confirm the key details you'll want on the calendar, like the topic, the date or time frame mentioned, and any relevant links or attachments. Next, look to the upper right of the Outlook window for the calendar icon. Click it to open the My Day panel. This panel is a compact workspace that lets you work with your calendar and tasks without leaving your inbox. If you don't see the icon, try widening your browser window or closing any sidebars so the toolbar is fully visible. With the panel open, click on To Do. This tab helps you capture items from email and prepares the panel for drag and drop. Now, drag the email into the panel. Outlook will automatically create a new event using the content of that message. This is the key move. Dragging the email pulls its subject and body into an editable event draft, so you keep the original context right inside the invite. In the event window, type a clear, descriptive event name. Keep it short, but specific. Something that tells attendees exactly what the event is about. Outlook typically places the email content in the body, so you can keep the important parts and remove anything you don't need. While you're here, take a moment to confirm the date, start and end times, and whether it should be an all-day event. Adjust the time zone if needed so everyone sees the correct time. Enter the attendees for the event by typing their names or email addresses. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Make sure you're inviting only the people who need to be there, and consider adding a brief agenda in the description so invitees know what to expect. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will add the event to your calendar and deliver invitations to your attendees. That's it. Your email is now a calendar event, complete with context, participants, and schedule details, all created in a few quick steps.